Hey, Julie Reynolds here, and I'm super excited to share with you 10 ways that you can make an online business in 2021. And some of them don't even have a startup cost. So if you're looking to build a business online or build a business from your computer, you're a stay-at-home mom, but you want to make an extra income, or maybe you have goals of firing your boss and building an online business, this video is for you because I'm going to share with you 10 tried and true strategies that women just like you have used in order to build a business. So what I want to do, the first thing I want to do is I want to talk to you about a website called Upwork. Upwork is a great website because the first strategy that I have for you is to become a virtual assistant, right? So there are many companies, there are many people that are looking for help online, and you can get paid hourly over at some companies like Upwork, where you just put in your credentials. So maybe you have, been a great advertiser. Somebody's looking for advertising. Maybe you've done marketing before. People are looking for marketing. So there's a whole host of talents that people are looking for that you could upload a resume, and people make, thousands of dollars up in Upwork because of their freelancing and because of being a VA. So for me personally, I have built an online businesses. I have 2 VAs that help me build my business online. They help me post on social. They help me in my back office of marketing. And so I can tell you that there's lots of online entrepreneurs, brands that are, influencers that are looking for some extra help, and Upwork is a great place to look for them. Now, one of the other places I like to go is Fiverr.com. That's Fiverr.com. That's tip number 1. One of the places that you can look for if you're looking for an online business. Now, the second way that you could build a lot of income is through affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is basically where you are promoting a product that is already done for you, and you share it out to your audience. You can share it out to your list. You can share it out to your friends and family. So for example, over here, Amazon is one of the most known affiliates, right? So you have your own special link that's linked to products that you love, that are near and dear to your heart, and you share it out with what we call an affiliate link. And that affiliate link then gets linked to you so that anytime anybody orders that product, it will then show up and you will earn a commission. Now, Amazon is one of those few stores that offer a very low percentage of commission. I think it can be anywhere from 2 to 3%, but there are other high ticket affiliate offers where you could earn up to thousands of dollars, right? So the income potential for an Amazon or for a affiliate is exponential, right? And I do affiliate. I can tell you that I make, lots of money doing my affiliate side every single month from my phone, sharing products, sharing things that I would be recommending to my friends and family. And then I just go and I earn a commission off of it as well. Now, the next way to build a business is doing network marketing, right? MLM network marketing. I am one of those network marketing leaders who have built, a business online. And what I love about my company that I'm with is it actually has 2 sides. It has the MLM side, and it has the affiliate side like Amazon. So over at Modere, the company that I am with, you can earn up to 36% commission without building a team. It's kind of like an e-commerce Shopify store done for you, where they do all of the shipping out for you and you just collect the commission like an affiliate. But then if you want the reoccurring income, there is that team building side. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about the shifting retail model over at Modere, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so that you can connect with me. You can hear a little bit more. But basically, Modere is a clean living company. It specializes in collagen and weight loss system called the TRIM, or the Lean Body Sculpting System. And I'll link it right over here so you can check out some more videos about the products and the opportunity and stuff. You can check that out on my website. And it's different than your traditional network marketing in that, like I said, it does have that affiliate side. But But here's the other thing. There's lots of network marketer companies that are out there for you in order to help you build a business, right? And the nice thing is I like to call it a business in a box, right? So you pay for the kit, you pay for something, and then you've got your entire business, and what you decide to do with it is up to you, right? And the income potential is unlimited because it depends on what you do with it, right? Now, the other way to make an income is if you wanted to use like a website like flexjobs.com where you could do proofreading. Let's say you're really good at editing, you're really good at proofreading things. There are people that will pay you online to be able to proofread their stuff. One of the many websites is flexjobs.com. And, you know, anywhere from $15, $25, $30 an hour is what you could get with a flexjobs.com. Now, the other way that I make an additional income stream online is if I've created multiple online courses, right? So one of the things that you could do is you could create an online course based on some of your interests, teach others like you how you do it, right? So if you're really into knitting, if you're really into crafting, if you're really into, you know, writing children's books, whatever it may be, you could create a course to help somebody like you get started that has a similar interest. And one of the places that I recommend for just getting started for course creation is a website called teachable.com. And that's where you can house your website. They will collect payment for you. So it's really like kind of like a one-stop shop, and you just drive traffic to your Teachable site. They, you know, people will then immediately get access to your course. And the only thing that you need to do is create the content for the course and then drive traffic to it somehow, maybe on social media. You could even start looking at paid ads if you wanted to take it to that next level. But creating a course and e-courses are an amazing opportunity right now because more and more people are turning to e-course learning to master a craft, to master a skill, right? Now, another job opportunity for you would be money with transcriptions. Maybe you're really good at typing and you're really quick at typing. You could transcribe jobs from home, right? So rev.com is a great website. They will, you know, you put in your information, and if you could see here, like you can earn a couple $100s a month. You get paid weekly. Like there's other online jobs that also do transcriptions, but I know rev.com is one that is very highly known in the industry. Now, another piece that I have for you is Amazon advertising. You could create an Amazon store for yourself, and you put all of the different products in it. And then again, it's kind of like that affiliate thing, but you've put together this beautiful store. You can run ads to it. They can do some drop shipping. There's Shopify. There's things like that where you could put together an online virtual store to help you build an additional income stream. And so I want you guys to think about it and think about there's many different ways in 2022 to work from your phone, to work from your computer, to truly have that lifestyle, that laptop lifestyle that you maybe have dreamed about, but you're not really exactly sure how to get started. And in next week's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you some tips on how you can go about creating that laptop lifestyle and really build an online business. And hey, this is Julie Reynolds for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.